What's the meaning of anesthesia? Anesthesia. 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 Anesthesia.
Anesthesia is a medical term that refers to the state of temporary loss of sensation or consciousness induced by drugs or other means during surgical or medical procedures. The result of anesthesia is a numbness, insensitivity to pain, and/or unconsciousness, which allows medical professionals to perform interventions without causing pain or discomfort to the patient. Anesthesia can be achieved using a variety of drugs, including general anesthetics, local anesthetics, and sedatives, depending on the specific needs of the procedure and the patient's medical condition. Overall, anesthesia is an essential tool in modern medicine that helps to minimize patient suffering and improve outcomes.